So you guys will see there is this is a do follow backlink. There is no any indication for the no follow or no referral. So it's a 100% high quality do follow from ORG website backlink. Hello guys, my name is Pravyad and welcome to our channel. So today I can show you one website where we can create a very high quality do follow backlink. So the website name is model.org. So this is our ORG website. So and the main thing, this website having 92 plus domain authority and the spam score is only 3% and the traffic source is very high. So this website can provide you do follow backlink. So must you guys have to create your backlink on that website. So this is a website dashboard and now we can explore the website authority. So you guys can see the domain authority is 91 and the spam score is only 3%. And you guys will see this website having 2.7 million total visitors and the mostly traffic from USA, Spain, Mexico, Russia, France. This website having that kind of country traffic. So if you want to drive crawlability and the audience from that kind of country, so you guys have to create your backlink on that website. And after that, according to Acharya, the domain rating is 92. So we have completed our research process. And if you guys are new on this channel, so please you guys have to hit the subscribe and like button. Okay, so this is a website dashboard and I can also provide this website URL over the description section. So where you guys can access easily. So you guys can see top of the right corner, there is a login button. You guys have to click over there. And after that, this website can check if you are a human. So you guys have to acknowledge these things. Then after that, you guys will see there is a option to you guys have to create new account button. You guys have to click over there. And after that, this website can ask you your age. So you guys have to mention your age, then which country you guys are accessing this. So I'm creating backlink for my Canada website. And after that, is there anything else? Okay. And after that, we can click for the proceed button. Now we can click for the next button. And again, you guys have to click for the next. Okay, then after that, you guys have to acknowledge the terms and condition. Then after that, privacy policy. And is there anything else? Okay, then after that, you guys have to click for the next button. And there you guys have to add your username. And you guys have to choose your passwords, email ID, then your first name. You guys have to add your brand name, city. Then after that, you guys have to acknowledge the verify your robot captcha. Then you guys can click for the create my account. Your password must. So our profile has been created. So this website can send you a verification email. So now we can check our email ID, email inbox. Sorry. Yeah, so we received. Now we can verify our account. So I think most of the thing has been completed. So there is a continue button. You guys have to click over there. And after that, you guys can go with your profile section. And there is this is your profile landing page URL. And after that, you guys will see there is edit your profile button. So there you guys have to update your all details. And you guys have to update your profile image. And now after that, you guys can go with additional name there. If you want to update something, you guys have to add. If you want to add interest, then you guys can add. So now I can add by targeted keyword. So traffic management. Okay, so there is no any tags related to this. So now we can ignore. Then after that, if you want to, after that we can go with other field option. So there is web pages option. So there you guys can add your website URL, and you guys are able to create backlink on that website. Then after that, you guys can click for the update profile. So you guys will see this is our profile landing page URL, and I can show you this is our website backlink. So now we can check this is a no follow or do follow backlink. So you guys will see there is this is a do follow backlink. There is no any indication for the no follow or no referral. So it's a 100% high quality do follow from ORG website backlink. Okay. So okay, yeah. So if you guys are watching till and so thanks for the watching, guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me, are your friends, then you guys have to share your thoughts on the comment section. And if you guys can want to connect with me personally, any kind of service project and suggestions, so I can provide my social details over the description section. And for the last, I wanted to request you with a one thing, guys. If you guys are new on this channel, or if you guys are haven't subscribed this channel, so it's a humble request. You guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. I hope you guys can do something from your side there. Okay, so bye bye and take care.